and your stars. Aries, regardless of your first reaction in a situation, the outcome will be favourable. Lucky numbers 17 and 29. Taurus, problems with in-laws may cause friction in your personal relationship. Lucky numbers 1 and 9. Gemini, you may feel a need to make changes to your legal documents. Lucky numbers 30 and 18. Cancer, you will be emotional about your personal life, so travel will be favourable. Lucky numbers 7 and 13. Leo, minor accidents may occur if you don't concentrate on what you're doing. Lucky numbers 10 and 15. Virgo, you need a change and you need to earn more cash. Lucky numbers 5 and 36. Libra, someone may be trying to take advantage of you. Lucky numbers 40 and 11. Scorpio, you will probably have to defend your mate, so don't let in-laws upset you. Lucky numbers 21 and 6. Sagittarius, partnerships will be favourable and contracts can be signed. Lucky numbers 22 and 25. Capricorn, new methods and technology will make your job far easier than you anticipated. Lucky numbers 23 and 34. Aquarius, there are ways of making extra cash if you put your mind to it. Lucky numbers 13 and 4. Pisces, investments are best left alone this week and you don't need to pay out in order to have fun. Lucky numbers 20 and 26. Thank you for joining us with your weekly stars. Be sure to join us again next week for your weekly horoscopes. Thank you.